why ethics matters in automation. Digital technologies are fast revolutionizing the nature of human labor, inspiring a few workers but leaving the others behind. As a more significant number of companies embrace AI and robotics, a few jobs will be created or improved. Still, several of them are most likely to go away. Amidst all this comes an essential question. What is the ethical approach to all this? What kind of obligations do companies have towards displaced workers in situations like these? Are there ethical ways for company leaders to attend to their workforce via digital disruption? Researchers have struggled with those questions at MIT Technology Review's EmTech Next Conference. They concluded that organizational leaders must better comprehend the adverse effects of the technologies they implement and commit to creating systems that drive social cohesion and economic growth. The research paper by Pramod Karganekar makes the case that human workers should and will always remain central and critical to the workplace of the near future, augmenting, complementing, and controlling the strengths of technological solutions. In this regard, AI, automation, and other related technologies are merely tools that must be utilized to make human lives and our livelihoods better. Even though all this sounds aspirational, the real question is how we can get there. In their research, Sampath and Karganekar explained 4 levels of what is known as the pyramid of progress. Level 0, cost-focused automation. At the pyramid's lowest level, technology is solely used to gain economic benefits by minimizing human labor. These cost-based programs aren't only human-centric or socially conscious. The researchers stated they're usually unable to deliver and can sometimes be unfavorable to business interests. Level 1, performance-driven automation. Systems and processes are re-engineered to use automation to their advantage, while still using human expertise and competencies to fill in all the technological gaps. For example, in Amazon's warehouses, workers carry out tasks that call for flexibility and agility, such as picking and packing goods. In contrast, the robots take up routine and monotonous heavy lifting tasks, such as transporting loaded bins and totes. Even though these systems move far beyond the cost efficiencies, they're usually driven by business metrics that do not consider the more significant implication of the staff, nor do they think about the benefits and societal costs of automation. Level 2, employee-centered automation. At this particular level, the business objective is to optimize performance and enrich and develop workers. In these systems, the utmost purpose of automation is not sidelining or replacing people with machines. Instead, it is to encourage new forms of human-machine interaction that further enhance human capabilities. On the manufacturing lines of Toyota, employees produce the goods manually at first, simplifying and innovating processes as they move forward, with machines and robots taking over only once the process is perfected. While these approaches empower the workforce, choices and strategies are still seen from the organization's point of view rather than in an expansive business society ecosystem. Level 3, socially responsible automation. At the pyramid's top, automation is deployed to create a vast array of jobs for humans, driving economic success and growth while also endorsing the well-being of society. Attaining such a massive objective calls for direct and active interactions. This means that the business leaders should devote themselves to proactively looking for new streams of revenue and job-enabling growth as they roll out and refine automation. Small business manufacturing is a segment where employees are significantly affected by the introduction of automation and robotics. A prime example of this is Baltimore-based Marline Steel, which successfully copes with this trend. Faced with rising competition and falling demand for its products, Marline Steel invested in automation and robotics, re-engineered its production process, improved its product line with fully engineered tailored products, and extended its client base. It did all this by equipping its workers with the expertise and training required to work in its new, cutting-edge, technology-driven place. If you are looking to integrate robotics and other automation solutions into your production, contact B2E Automation today. We can work with you to develop a custom solution that works best for you.